In this video, I will show you how you can enable dual apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Now if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for Dual Messenger. Now just tap on it, and over here all the apps which support the Dual Messenger feature will appear in this list. Now to create dual apps, just enable the toggle for the app for which you want to create a clone of. Now just select Install, and after you do that, you will create a clone of the selected app, just like that. Now if I open the app drawer, as you can see, this is the original app, and this is the clone which has an icon over here. As you can see, this is the original app, and this is the clone app. Now, if your preferred app is not available in this app list, and if you want to create a clone of that app, then just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install this app on your phone. Then tap on Open, and from here, just select Agree and Continue. Tap on Continue, and give this app all these permissions. Tap on Start. Now over here, just select the app for which you want to create a clone of. For an example, let's say if it is this app. Now just select the app and tap on Add to Parallel Space. Select Accept. As you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the YouTube app. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.